5 amazing things you won't believe actually exist in nature. This world is loaded with wonders you won't accept existed in nature. To genuinely grasp this grand size, you should observe them for yourself. So here are 5 amazing things you will to have visited in life. Number 1, reflective salt. We have got your back. Salatayoni is the world's biggest salt level, coming in the 10,582 square kilometers, situated in southwest Bolivia. These study salt pads are certainly on the rundown of things you need to see before you kick the bucket. Number 2, Monster Crystal Cave in Mexico. Mexico's Cueva de los Cristales Cave of Crystal is home to the biggest regular precious stone development discovered any place on the planet. Number 3, Pink Lake Hill in Australia. At the point when you consider what shading a lake may be blue, brown, perhaps green, maybe ring a bell. Well, for anybody going over the western island of Australia, this unfathomable marvel can be seen with their own eyes. Number 4, volcanic lighting in Iceland. This epic showcase of lighting in Iceland is the thing that researchers call a fill the temple. Number 5, frozen air bubbles in Abraham Lake. Abraham Lake in Alberta, Canada is home to uncommon marvel that should be believed to accept. Caught under its frozen surface, methane gas crawls its direction up, making wonderful air rises as it freezes and melts and freezes and melts as the combustible of components looks for out. Please subscribe.